That's it. No pressure. It's harder up here. Good work. That's it. That's it. Just keep going. You'll be fine. Fine. You've done it. You just might have to put your feet down up here when it gets a bit tricky with this rock. That's all. Good work, Lou. Champion. What have you got to say at the end of the championship?
Fantastic.
One more day, another road, another sign by my window, counting miles away. I'd come back, I would come right back to your arms.